Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to use the brightness and contrast graphical effect in our QML application. In previous video I was show you how to use the blend mode graphical effect in our QML application. So let's start. So first of all import the Qt graphical effects Qt5 compact dot graphical effect. Now here I create one item to display the image. So first of all create one item. Inside there will create the one image. Now here set there some anchor property center in parent. Set the width and height also. So same as is the parent width. Now let's create the one image. So here I change create the image like a source. Okay, set id and source equal to source image and set the property source as a. So this is the link of the that image. So just simply copy and paste here. Now here also have to set the source size as a qt dot size. Pass your parent width height and parent height. Set the smooth property as a true and set the visible property as a false. Okay, now let's use the brightness and contrast control. So here we have to define the anchor field as a our source image. Okay, so here we fill the our source image, and what are the our image source is it's also source image. Now here let's set the brightness. So brightness is let's set the 0.5. The range of this value is -1 to 1. Also set here some contrast value. So set 0.5. So in contrast value is also is -1 to 1. Okay, now let's run the application and check it. So this is our image. Now let's apply the some brightness or change the value of brightness and contrast value. So first of all let's comment this code and apply the brightness value. So you can see what are the effects. So let's set the 0.7 as a 8. Okay, now let's run the application, check it. So you can see the image was quite bright. It's simply the luminance view of luminance values are increased in terms of say, and when we decrease the brightness, so let's set the minus 0.1. Now let's run the application. So you can see the luminance is also down. Okay, so now also you can set the value in minus value. So now let's set the minus 35, 0.35, and let's run the application and check it. So you can see now also apply the contrast value same as it, just recorrect the brightness value, and now let's change the contrast value to 0.1 and run the application. You can see this is how. Let's just comment this code to better visualization. There is a one more property is a catch. So catch is a true, and now let's set this property is for the smooth rendering and improve the rendering. And now let's change the contrast value, but let's run the as a check the effect on 0.1 value. So you can see how the contrast will applied. Now let's change the value as a 0.9 and run the application. So you can see this is the contrast value which will apply. So this is the brightness and contrast graphical effect in our QTQML application. And please drop your comment if you have any questions about this graphical effect, and please share this video with your friend and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.